Well, hello friends and followers. Here we are with the new office desk redo. I did get two desks now. I guess one will be for some ham radio and some excess stuff. And the other is for the serious home office work that my job entails. So my objective was to get rid of this old desk here. Well, actually, this becomes a work desk. And my significant other, I guess, was kind enough to buy me a desk. So that's how that worked out. And yesterday I wanted to refactor the outlets on this thing. I was using outlet strips on the floor, lots of them, lots of plugs on the floor. So I made it my effort yesterday to get rid of the plugs on the floor. So this turned out kind of neat. This desk has cable management, so all the cables come up through here for the A word, and yeah, it turned out nice. I ended up bringing up cables for the Cisco phone through here, 2 Ethernets and 2 power cables. And the other thing is that at nighttime, you know, you're working long, and when your day concludes, you want to turn things off. So I don't need my phone at night, and I gotta get a new chair, like really bad. But anyway, I put a switch down here that is right there, and it turns off the phone and the light and all that. So you can flick that, light goes off, the phone goes off, the Alexas go off, and you're ready to come in next day. Turn the switch on, phone comes on, the Alexas will reboot, at least I think they will. They're not letting up blue. Up there they go. Yep, those will come on. And you're ready for the next day, and plus your light will come on too when you turn it on, so that's all good. So I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Let's take a look at the bottom of the desk here and show you the wiring down there. So I use EERO internet Wi-Fi here, which works really well. This coverage has great coverage throughout the house, and I have one of these downstairs. So how this works is modem comes in through here, goes into EERO, and then this will go up to a little router up here, and then it goes out along the cable on the wall to another one of these downstairs. So I have another one of these downstairs in the spare bedroom that will handle the downstairs. So that's how that works. They are networked together by a cable. And that's a surfboard modem for Cox Cable. It's about 500 megabits max, and it works at that speed. So anyway, so I plugged the main office desk into this wall outlet here. It's a 15 amp circuit. And here's the, look at how it all turned out. So I put these large wall sockets in here, which seemed insane, but it all worked out. So all these cables that would have been on the floor are now under my desk, which I like. There's no more cables on the floor that your feet are gonna kick. I suppose I could neaten these up a little more, but I didn't. And there's the little 8-port router right there, or a switch running all the connections for the internet stuff. I got 2 Raspberry Pis there working away. One runs the telephone, and the other runs the a ham radio All-Star-Link node, which is kind of cool. So I got plenty of plugs here. I really didn't use them all, but I suppose if I need more plugs, I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plugs that are now unallocated, and there are a few plugs there too. I may take that adapter off and get rid of it, just because it is a small fire hazard, I guess, and it's probably cheaply made. Get rid of it and plug directly into the wall socket. Anyway, that's my little rendition here. Pretty happy with it. And as a bonus, these Romex cables, I was able to pry them down a bit and put power bricks under them for securing the power bricks for doing cable management. So you can see a few of the bricks under those Romex wires. So I'm pretty happy with that. This over here runs the Alexas and the phone and the lamp. And this one I have running all the little Raspberry Pis. And the rest of these are just basically random wiring. So that's about it. I'm pretty happy. There's not much on the floor anymore. I guess I could put that, I could probably put this up inside the desk somewhere, but I'm not gonna bother. And the modem, just leave it down there. So it's a lot cleaner and nicer on the floor now. There's only a few things on the floor, not 10,000 wires. I guess the wires are all along the wall here now, but at least they're out of the way of my feet from hitting them. This took a lot of work yesterday, but I'm glad it's over. And I didn't plug in my desk because I don't want to move the height of it. I just want to leave it the way it is. All right, that's my video. Thanks for watching. Again, this was Cable Management 101. Looks like all my systems are running again. This took probably an hour or two to wire it up and route all the cables, but it came out kind of neat. For the ham radio aficionados, this is the latest radio that I bought. It's an Omni 6, which I like, but it had a bad speaker somewhat, but I thought the radio was then fixed with a bad speaker, but there's something else wrong with it. So turn it on. It kind of makes a squeaky sound, high frequency screech. So it's got other issues. I do got a spare IF board for these, so maybe I'll throw that in there and see if it fixes it. That's about it from here, people. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.